Good morning, TMA stars, and happy Monday. I want to welcome you back to school. I hope that all of you had a wonderful time over Thanksgiving vacation and had lots of time to rest and have some fun with family and friends. Before we went on break, there were lots of amazing things happening here at TMA. Here you see our student council led by Mrs. Shurman and Mrs. Olson. Our student council were working hard on creating posters to advertise their upcoming toy drive and their Candygram sales. If you look at their poster, Candygrams are going to be on sale for $1 each starting December 10th at lunch. And then on December 13th, they're going to be on sale during snack and lunchtime. So that's a great way to support our student council by purchasing a Candygram. Also, the toy drive box will be up by the office. You can bring in a new unwrapped toy to share with someone in need. Mrs. Peterson's class is working on their partner power, helping one another reading. Here you can see their partners working together, sounding out words, and sharing books with one another. Great job, Kinders. They are readers. Mrs. Hollingshead's scientists were creating lab lamps. They were learning about chemical reactions. And here you can see some of them had blue, some of them had red. I would love to hear more about what you learned with your chemical reactions. They also took some time out to think about what they're grateful for. And here you can see their gratitude wreaths. And Mrs. Barone's class played a game called Trashketball. They were playing Trashketball to sort nouns, verbs, and adjectives. What a fun way to learn about parts of speech. They also spent some time in class building things. Look at these future engineers building with their magnets. So much fun. Mrs. Arvig and Mrs. Shaw's class buddied up and they did crafts together and just had a great time learning with one another. They are super grateful for one another's classes and the friendships that they have created. And during the month of December, it's amazing how many different holidays are celebrated around the world. Here you see the Kwanzaa celebration and Boxing Day up in Canada, Hanukkah celebrations, Christmas celebrations, and one I just learned about called Amisoka, which is celebrated in Japan. I encourage all of you to learn about different holidays that are celebrated around the world. And I would love for you to share with me your family's holidays if your traditions and holidays are not listed on this slide. You can write me a note or send me an email. I would love to hear about your family celebrations and holidays. And now for Mindful Monday. I would like for all of you to put your feet flat on the ground. Get comfortable in your chair with your back all the way pressed against the back of your chair. Rest your hands quietly on your knees. And I want you to think about the special moments that you enjoyed over the holiday break. I invite you to close your eyes and think about the time you spent with family, the time you spent with friends. Maybe you went on a special vacation, or maybe you stayed at home and relaxed. Maybe you had a play date with a special friend. Or maybe you went to the store with your mom and dad. Or maybe even went on a long car trip. Think of a special moment over the last week that you really, really enjoyed and that you're so grateful for the time you spent. Think about how that special moment made you feel. Did it make you feel happy, like you wanted to smile? Did it make you feel comforted, like a warm blanket wrapped around you? Did it make you feel joyful, like you just wanted to jump around and be excited? Think about that special moment. And concentrate on how that moment made you feel. Sometimes, when we're worried, or when we're sad, or when we're overwhelmed, thinking about special moments with family and friends can make us feel comforted and calm. So next time you need to feel calm or comforted, think about a special moment that you spent with someone that you love and care about. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out, thinking about how that special moment made you feel. Take another deep breath in and let it all the way out. Great job, TMA stars. Now we have exactly 3 weeks before our next break. Winter break is in 3 weeks, 3 short weeks. So let's all do our very best and focus and work really, really hard over the next 3 weeks to learn as much as we possibly can before we have to say goodbye to 2021 and go on our winter vacations. Thank you so much, TMA stars. Have an awesome week.